Fundamentals of data analysis. Data analysis involve collecting, cleaning, interpreting, analyzing, and visualizing data using business intelligence tools and techniques. And this guide aim to jumpstart your effort to navigate, understand, to and cluster your mastery of language analysis. Analysis. Introduction. Fundamental of data analysis. Before you take a deep dive into the fundamental of data analysis, here and empowering quote from the great David, the person determined to achieve maximum success learn the principle the progress is made one step at a time. One step at a time is a great mindset to have as you journey toward mastering data analysis. It keeps you from getting overwhelmed and it make the whole data analysis be so much easier to swallow naturally. There to better first step to take then firm grasp of the fundamental of data analysis. Table of the content. What is data analysis? Importance of data analysis. How long does it take to learn data analysis? Data analysis term. Data analysis FAQs. Polymer, a game changer of business intelligence. What is data analysis? Data analysis involves collecting, cleaning, interpreting, analyzing, and data visualizing data using business intelligence tools and the technique. The, the primary goal of data analysis is uncovering and presenting data insight that inform and shape effective and strategic decision making. Data analysis and data analytics and data analysis are often used to uh, interchange interchangeably, but they are not the same. Data analysis is the entire discipline of analyzing data, including data collection, storage, organization, and analysis. It involves the data analysis technique and tools used to diving into our data, including the software of communication and the analysis result. On the other hand, data analysis focus on the transforming raw data into comprehensive and useful insight, including statistics, explanation, and other information. To better understand the concept, let's go over the main stages of the data analysis process. Identify the question you want to answer, such as what type problem does your company want to solve, and what the metrics and metric must you track, and how will you measure them. Gather the raw data set necessary to solve your identified data analysis question. Your data collection process can be from internal sources such as your client or customer relationship management system. It can also come from the secondary sources like social media app, programming interfaces, or publicly available demographic data.